Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 Suzuki Motorhome is a small camper van perfect for adventure, weekend trips, and the van life lifestyle. Efficiency, innovative use of available space, and contemporary characteristics are the main points of emphasis. Individuals or couples searching for a useful and reasonably priced recreational vehicle make up the main target market. Key characteristics: it is easy to maneuver in both urban and off-road environments because to its tiny size and lightweight, perfect for exploring far-off places and traveling great distances. A sleeping area and ingenious storage are examples of interior optimization that can be utilized to make the most of available space. The kitchenette has simple equipments, a comfortable and practical travel setup. Fuel efficiency: to cut emissions and operating expenses, consider hybrid or electric engine alternatives. Ideal for trips that are environmentally mindful and long distance. A touchscreen infotainment system is an example of modern technology. Sophisticated safety features. An off-grid option is a solar panel. Other considerations: the budget camper market, which consists of camper vehicles at reasonable costs, is the target market for this vehicle. This car is ideal for couples or solitary people. Many people believe that the Suzuki Carry served as the model for this vehicle. Interior modularity: wall and floor rail systems enable a variety of interior designs. Rear seats that are movable and adjustable. Platform with storage underneath and a cozy mattress for sleeping on. Superior fuel efficiency: for maximum fuel efficiency, a 1.5L hybrid engine and electric motor are paired. Its anticipated low fuel usage makes it appropriate for long-distance trips. A smartphone-connected touchscreen infotainment system is an example of integrated technology. A digital control panel to adjust the temperature and lighting. An off-grid option is a solar panel. An extra battery to provide energy.